Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to remove people from a photo using Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. In this tutorial, I want to remove the girl on the bike. So we can make a selection first. We can use the quick tool to make a selection, or we can use lasso tool. I will use lasso tool, and then we can click and drag to make a selection. Actually, we can use Shift to add the selection, and also we can use Alt to subtract the selection. Next, we can go to top option bar. We can find Window and show Contextual taskbar here. Click, and then we can go to find the Generative Fill button. Click, and then we can leave it blank and click Generate and wait a moment. After generating, we have 3 variations: the first variation, the second variation, and the third variation. I think the third variation is good. If you want to have more variation, you can go to Generate once again, or you can choose another model to generate once again. So this is how we can remove people from a photo using Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.